You can't always rely on router links in templates. Sometimes your code needs to take control and navigate programmatically. In Angular, programmatic navigation starts with the router service. Inject it into your component or service using dependency injection. Once you have the router instance, you have two main methods, navigate and navigateByUrl. Both send the user to a new route, but they differ in syntax and how they handle paths. Navigate takes an array of route segments, which makes it great for building paths dynamically or navigating relative to the current route. navigateByUrl takes a single string URL, perfect when you already have a complete path. Navigate supports relative navigation when you provide a relative to option. navigateByUrl is always absolute, starting from the root. When do you need this? After submitting a form, you might redirect to a success page. After authentication, you navigate to a protected dashboard. Or when handling errors, you might send users to a not found page. Anytime user action triggers a route change without clicking a link, that's programmatic navigation. You can pass data along with navigation. Use the state property in navigation extras to send data that doesn't show in the URL. This is useful for passing objects or sensitive information. You can also append query parameters or fragments using query params and fragment in the extras object. The receiving component accesses state through the router's getCurrentNavigation method. Navigation extras give you fine control. Set replaceAll to true to replace the current history entry instead of adding a new one. Use skip location change to navigate without updating the browser URL. These options help you manage the navigation stack and browser history precisely. Inject the router service, call navigate with an array or navigateByUrl with a string, and use navigation extras for state, query params, or history control. Master this, and you control your app's flow. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.